Hey Kate, my name is Devin, and you spoke with my partner Mary a little bit earlier. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as checking out this screencast right here. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out Barrett Tree Service. As you see, the rank right here at the top of Google when you type in Boston Tree Service. They're ranked right here, but they aren't ranked in this organic listings section right here. So you guys can really be up here super easily, and then you guys will be able to knock them off of here as well. So, like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So, you have your guys' website right here. So, I'm going to talk about content first. So, Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here. You guys have roughly about 500 words of content, which is not bad for the area, but if you get authorized in Google's eyes with that 1,500 mark, you guys will definitely blow everybody out the water. So, and the reasoning behind this is Google thinks this is not only going to keep customers on your page longer, but they believe it's going to keep them on Google longer, which gives them a chance to really just sell these ads they have here. So, right here at the top of the page, as well as the bottom of these pages right here. So, Google's all about making money. So, they're trying to crawl everybody's website, see who has the most authoritative content to put them front and center on this front page right here. Because as we know, it's very valuable being on this front page of Google because about 70% of customers do their shopping on this front page. No one really goes to these second, third, or fourth pages right here. So Google's crawling websites trying to find out who they could put front and center on these front pages right here, and content is definitely a key factor in that. So another key factor is keywords. So for example, Boston Tree Service is a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. As I mentioned, it gets 140 searches a month. So just having this keyword on your home page will let Google know that you provide this service, and then they'll actually rank you for it, which will ultimately send you guys more traffic. So there's a bunch of keywords out there. It's like there's a few of them over here that you guys want to be ranking for, and just have them on your homepage so Google understands that you basically are providing what these people are searching for. So the next tip I want to go over with you is called backlinks, and a backlink is basically when another website is linking to your website that's driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But Google really, really wants to make sure that you're using credible and relevant companies. They'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using like Pizza Hut that's sending links back to your website, because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living, obviously. So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. As we see, you guys have your walnuttreeservice.com listed in 33 different websites, a total of 91 times. And you can also see the amount of keywords you guys are using as well, and the estimated around the organic traffic you have. And this is tied in all the way through Google right here. So this is all coming from Google. And if we hop over here to Barrett Tree, we see they have 84 different websites, giving them a total of 396 backlinks right here. And we see the amount of keywords they're using, which is has their organic traffic up a little bit right here. So as far as backlinks, we can come in here, we can see exactly what websites these guys have their business listed in, and you guys should come in here and you should grab all the good ones basically. You don't want to just take like the trash ones. You don't want to, like, for instance, this one's not one you'd want to go get. So a lot of these are blog spots, some of these are directories. So you just create an account, leave a little comment, and then leave a link back to your website on here. So you want to take all the powerful links they have, go out there and grab them for yourself, and then you want to go out and get more powerful ones. So when Google is crawling all these websites, Google knows that you guys have more authority behind it. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listen section right here, which is everything under this map section. If you guys want to be ranked right here in this map pack section, this Google My Business, this has everything to do with citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just anywhere you can list your business information at, like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys here have 35 citations, and these guys, Barrett Tree Service, they have 49 citations right here. So similar to backlinks, you can we can see exactly what directories they have their business listed in, and what ones you guys have your business listed in, and all the ones that you guys don't have, you should go grab for yourself. So you want to scroll down this whole list right here and go submit your business to all these directories, And if they have 49 of them, I would suggest going out and getting 100 of these directories to just really blow these guys out of the water. So that's basically all I have for you, Kate. I tried to be pretty quick and brief, so I hope this information was useful. Quick recap, we went over just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage, as well as adding in those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for in your local area. Then we talked about backlinks, going out and getting more powerful backlinks and taking their powerful ones for your guys' website. And then as well as the citations, going out and grabbing these citations that you guys don't have in these directories, and then obviously going out and getting more as well. So again, my name is Devin. I appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mary. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you.